What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix a high ping or latency when playing Apex Legends on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You should first of all prevent other applications from running in the background, especially resource-intensive applications which can use up your network connection should be closed while playing Apex Legends. When this is done, open up your Settings application. For iOS devices, navigate to the General Settings tab and here tap on Background App Refresh. Make sure to prevent your other apps from being updated by disabling this option when playing Apex Legends. This setting will be disabled by default when using the low power mode on your device. You should also disable your VPN service while in-game, which will otherwise induce lag and a higher ping. Next, scroll down to find your Apex Legends settings. Here, make sure to enable the mobile data option. This will allow the game to utilize your cellular connection, which could be better than your current Wi-Fi connection. You can then try to relaunch Apex Legends. In case the problem persists, make sure that you're using a reliable network connection and that the Apex Legends servers are operational. Open up your favorite browser and search for Apex Legends server status, or simply click on the link in the description below. On this page, you can preview server outage reports in the last 24 hours for the Steam, Origin, Xbox version and so on. Below, preview server issues for crossplay, the lobby and matchmaking servers or logins. You should also make use of the live reports map. This will allow you to see where these reports are coming from. In case the server seems to be operational, then make use of a speed testing site or application, such as Speedtest. This will give you an average latency, upload and download speed for your connection. In case your ping is higher than 100 milliseconds, or you are having an unstable download speed, then you should consider using a different network connection to play Apex Legends on your mobile device. To further improve your network connection, you can restart your router or modem if you haven't done this in a while. Next, in your App Store or Google Play Store, look up Apex Legends. This will show you if the application is up to date, which could otherwise also prevent you from playing the game. Lastly, make sure to restart your mobile device in case you haven't done this in a while. This will restart some services and processes, and in a lot of cases, fix network connection issues for Apex Legends. In case you still experience a high ping, or if you wish to preview your ping or latency while playing Apex Legends on your mobile device, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.